Okay, 2019 Ford Fiesta with the pin to start immobilisation, where we can prevent the car from starting until it sees a unique combination of button pushes, allowing the vehicle to be started. So immobilised armed at the moment, it arms automatically every time you get out of the vehicle. So we try and start the car, push the start, foot on the brake, we're getting nothing at all. Okay, so we need to put the pin code in using a selection of button pushes. You can have up to 20, we normally do sort of 4 or 6. So you watch the indicator warning lights on the dashboard. On the last pin entry you see a flash there of the indicator warning lights telling us the system is disarmed. So foot on the brake, now the car starts and runs fine. Okay, you can open and close the door, no problem at all. However, if you turn the engine off and open the door, 2 flashes acknowledges auto arming of the immobiliser.